Hi guys.
Today, it's August 6, 2026. It's 7:07 in the morning and hindi siya masyadong mainit pa ngayon since it's very early. It's only 35 degrees. So now we are heading to Kim's Health Medical Center. So babalik
Okay.
kami, 'di ba kahapon, the other day we went there para sa blood tests namin. So since hindi kami nakapag-fasting, so we have to come
Consultation
back.
ang nangyari.
Yeah, consultation yesterday. So ngayon we will have our blood tests. So hopefully okay naman rin, no? So we will go back to Kim's and then after that we will go to school. Ay hindi, kakain pa pala muna kasi gutom na. Then we will go to school after we eat breakfast.
Short meeting.
Okay, may short.
Hopefully short.
Actually, gutom na ako, guys. So I was not able to take my vitamins this morning kasi kailangan kumain muna. And then we will have the blood test first. Even our booster energy drink, no? Friday, so later na lang siguro pag So we're here na guys in Kim's Health Medical Center, but as usual, I cannot take video inside kasi bawal. Just outside lang.
Nasa loob na si Carol. Kinukuha na siya ng blood sample. So I'm just waiting here outside the corridor. And I'll be next.
So I'm done guys with my blood extraction. Yan. So we will just wait for the result this evening. Andun na si June, siya naman ang pumasok. So guys, we're
Yay, yay.
done. Ayan, both of us
Ay.
done. So Karon, yee, excited na ko.
Thank you Lord for this chance and opportunity. Kani siya na privilege ba na match.
Yeah. Excited na ko kay gutom na ako. Actually, ganiha pa dyan kung gutom guys. So, kauna dyan ta. Salamat Lord. Makakauna dyan mi.
Huwag ko kasabot na crib, manggugugat tong kangkong ang na.
We will see. Ayan guys, so we're here in McDonald's.
Parwa.
See, ito pa lang ang open. So,
Excite mas niya sa
mm,
makdo.
so here, parking. Tara guys. McDo Bar City. Where are you, Di? Tara! Let's order.
Dito na kami sa loob ng McDo guys. So naka-order na si Carol. What's your order mo? Ayaw po. Ano order mo? Anong order mo?
Breakfast restaurant.
Okay.
So we are still waiting for our order, guys. Init ang kape. Happy na ta. Happy kid.
Happy ng person.
That's it, guys.
Thank you Lord. Bye na.
We're done, guys. So we are going to the school. Hello. Done na kami. You know.
Hi guys.
So we will go to our school na guys kasi may meeting si June saglit, and I hope it will be just a short meeting. So while he will be having his meeting, dumi pala di. I will stay also in my classroom. Hugaw pala.
Ha?
Nasa ligid. O siya glapo. Anyway, while waiting kay June, as what I have said, I will stay in my classroom. Kasi I will check din kung na-arrange na, kasi last time nagpintura sila. And I was checking kanina before I get inside. Chinek ko ang tire. Ika. Kasi I saw it in the video na parang may puti or something. So when I check it, madumi pala siya. So pagpapalinis din kami nagsasakyan sa Saturday na, a day before we go to school. Busy siya. Tara! Yan guys, so we're here in our school. So I will be staying in the classroom. Ayun po si Kika. Yan, mag-elevator tayo. Kasi nasa second floor.
kami.
Hi.
Hi guys. With my twin. Cheers.
Elevator na kay. Yan. Strange yung mga upuan, guys. Nasa labas pa siya. I think painting is done.
Iiwan ko muna sa gilid, tapos CR lang ko.
Ah.
Puti na ng bukas.
Wow.
Wow, puti na? Ang upuan mo?
Yeah.
Puti na.
Puti na.
Bago.
Hindi bago. So hi guys, we are here in McDonald's, Alcomama branch. Gibanan sa namo si Tyler Kadali with his friends, volleyball friends. So gika nami sa school, meeting done. So after ani, maybe we will go somewhere pa before we will send Tyler to his volleyball game later in Aspire School.
Bibili daw siya ng Tom and Jerry for Gab-Gab and Gia. Ala, binilhan mo si Gab-Gab at si Gia. Paano si Cat niyan?
I want Milo.
Ala. Paano si...
Pareho silang laki.
Pareho lang, okay lang yan. Gi-video ti ka ha.
Ayan guys. Uwi muna kami. Sila Tyler naglaro na ng bowling. So uwi muna kami sa bahay kasi may asikasuhin. And then later, we will just go to Kuya Tyler's training. So, tara. Ang init. So guys, we're here. We're home na. Rest muna kami bago pupunta later mamaya kay Kuya Tyler. So that's all for today.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.
Stay safe, everyone. Stay healthy.